Hello guys, welcome to AVB Learning channel. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install the current Python version on Windows. Let's begin. At first, go to the web browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any web browser. First, click in search bar. Here in type Google and press enter. So here is the official website python.org. Click on it. We have reached the official website. Whenever you will keep the mouse cursor on the downloads button. Here it is Python 3.11.0 is visible for Windows. This is what we want. I will click on it download. Started only 24 MB. Let's wait for a few seconds. So we have successfully downloaded the exe. Click to show folder. Click folder and again right click on mouse cursor. You can see red as administrator. So then click on it to install. Now the installation is started. Okay. Okay, keep the default. Add Python exe to path. Click to checkbox and also click the customize installation. You can see documentations and pip installs PHP. We can download and install other Python packages and IDLE install Tinker in the ideal development environment. So here is show all this. Click to next. Here advanced options. This is the advanced features. So click on the checkbox install Python 3.11 for all users. So this okay. You can also change the location by the clicking browse but keep it default. It is final. Click to install. Now the installation started. Let's wait. Now the setup is successful. Click on close. We have successfully installed the Python program. Finally, you can see the Python IDLE on your desktop page. Just double click on your IDLE. Here the program page. Now just the verification of the one type the program. Example text called double quote. Welcome to AVB Learning channel double quote and press enter. Now your type print curve bracket open and text closed. Now click to enter. Here is the program output. Welcome to AVB Learning channel. So finally successful run the program. So save program and save Control Shift or S. You can choose your location as save program. Change the objects. Click to save.